Hi all, today we are going to discuss tuple data structures. We previously discussed the list data structures and string, and today we are going to discuss tuple data structures. Okay, let's move into the video. Tuple data structures. Like previously, how I explained for the list data structures, like we need to create, store, and duplicates are allowed. Like that, I will explain here also. Keep in mind that some of the words create. We can create tuple data structures by using the tuple predefined function, tuple predefined function or parenthesis. Okay, store. We can store same type of values or different type of values. And the insertion sort also fixed here. Order fixed. Insertion order in the sense, if for example, if we take a is equals to tuple, whenever you're running this print of a means, it will be exactly giving the same output as order same 10, 20, 30, 40 only. Whenever you go with the set, sometimes it may change the order. So that insertion order is not fixed. So here it is fixed. So we can access the values also here, and insertion is order also fixed, and duplicates are allowed. And we can access elements by using the indexing and slice operator. These are the things we need to keep in mind whenever anyone is asked about the tuple data structure. And the tuple is immutable, having immutable nature. Okay, it will store the tuple can store create by using the tuple redefined function or parenthesis, and it can store same or different type of values or objects. Insertion order is fixed here, and duplicates are also all allowed. We can access by values by using the indexing and slicing. Whenever when we need to go for the tuple data structures. Yes. If you don't want to change the data, like never change for a long period of time, then you go with the tuple. Because, for example, we'll take weekend names, week names, and month month names. These are all won't change, right? So we can store these type of values. We move to the like how we will be creating the examples, like how we need to create the tuple and in many ways. Okay. Let's move into the examples. So you'll get some clear idea. So we can store, I told you, right? How we can store same or different type of elements in the tuple. So we will move to the by checking this one. And I'm storing here, uh, okay, apple 1, 2, 3, and this one. And I'm giving this one. I'm checking the type of A also. Yes, you can see here. Here the order is also fixed. And here compare this one, and here, and it is giving the type as tuple. Okay, and we will store the same type of value. See when. Mm. Yes, it is also coming, right? So now we can create also empty set. See, empty is not set, it's a tuple. Yeah, A2. Yes. And there is one surprising thing. We can create without parentheses also. Without parentheses also, we can create the tuples. Yeah, we will see. Mm. Yes, without parentheses. Parentheses is not mandatory, like, but it's a good practice to use the parentheses. Without parentheses, also it will be considering as a tuple only. But there is one thing. Whenever you're going to store a value like one, I'm going to store one. I'm printing this one. Hint of type of A4, right? Yeah. So it is considering it as int because yes. Okay. Oh, whenever you are going to use a tuple, whenever you need to store as a tuple means you need to give one comma like that. Then only it will be it will consider as a tuple. You can see here. It is considering as a tuple, right? So this is one way. And you can also like check this or yeah. Whenever you're storing in parentheses also, you need to provide a comma. Then only it will be considering it as a tuple. If you're not means also, I'll show that one also. E6. Yes, it is considering as a tuple, right? So next one, I'm not giving any comma here or here. So we will just check whether it will be considering it as a tuple or not. Yeah, it is considering as a string. So keep in mind these things. How we will need to create like that. And after we need to move that, we can access the values. Like insertion order is also fixed. We can check these also. We can check and duplicates. Yeah, we can check the duplicates, right? Yes. Giving the variable 8 and I'm storing 10 comma 20 comma 40 50 60. Yes. And I'm printing the same thing. Then of A8. And I'm again, I will be changing to restoring these thing in A18. Okay, be checking. Okay. Mm. Yes, it will be storing the duplicates also. But set can't able to store. Set won't store the duplicate values. We will be seeing that one in when we are discussing about set data structures, and we will move to the tuple methods. Okay. Yeah. Methods in tuple data structures. Okay. Yeah. Like previously we discussed in the list data structures, like that only we will be having the tuple data structures. Like inside class only we can able to create the methods, right? So for this also having methods and met here tuple is a predefined class. So tuple having the methods and there will be two types of methods with underscore symbol methods and without underscore symbols. Previously I explained the same thing, like same concept only, but the methods will be changing over here. And some of the common methods also available in the both the data structures also. And by using we can dir of function, predefined function, we can check how many methods are available in that. And there will be two types of methods with underscore symbols methods and without underscore symbols methods. We need to focus on without underscore symbol methods only, and there will be count and index. These are the two methods are important in the tuple data structure. Other also having, but these two are more important. So we will be learning, I will be explaining these things. And now we will make to the examples. Yes. Yes, I'm taking as a B as a variable and I'm storing in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And here I'm giving B dot count of 40. We will be okay. I'm storing the 40 here like this. Yeah. Count is a predefined method in tuple data structures, the tuple class. We should access this method by using the tuple object only. And count is like it will be checked the how specified value occurrence of the specified value, how many times the value is occurred in the specific tuple. So we will check now. Yeah, 4 times is available. The occurrence of the 40, 0, G1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And we will be going for the index. Here. Okay. One of one is I'm taking B1 dot index of 1. But giving like this. Okay, we will be first we will check this the index and yes, it is giving 3, right? 300. Okay. Now we need to use the index method. Here now we will be with the index of that specific number. Wait. Let's say 2000. Okay. 3000. 400, 500. Okay. And we need to find the index number of that one. Right? So we need to, the method we can access by using the tuple object only. So I'm using the tuple object and index. And for I need the index number of 3000. And I'm giving the same thing here. It is showing as 2012. And this is how we will be checking. And if we give the index number as out of the range, yes, we will be giving the out of the range of the index number means it will be giving as value of error. So let's check once whether it is giving the index error or not. So I'm giving as 5000 here. Yeah, okay. Yes, we are getting the value error here. Okay. And also we can perform the operations like in the tuple, we can also perform the operations like the multiplication, addition to add the numbers or multiply the numbers in the tuple with the tuple. Multiplication, addition, and also, and if you want, it won't like in the tuple, we can't able to add a like it is mutable, right? So we can't able to add any values to that. So we can change that the tuple into the again list, and we can also modify, and we can also again convert into tuple also. We can use that trick also to modify any content or the elements whatever in the present in the tuples. You can do that also. We will be yes. Okay, I'll explain. Tuple W is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, I'm printing these things. Yes, we are getting right. So it is immutable, right? So we can't able to once we create an object, so then we can't able to change or modify the object, right? So now I will be converting that into a list of W. Print of W. Yes, we will be converting that as this one, right? So now I'm adding at the position of 0, I'm replacing with 100. Yeah, it is replaced with 100, right? So now again, I'm using the one variable and I'm converting into tuple of w1 print of, or yes, again converted into tuple. So this is how we can able to convert. And these all about the tuple data structures. In the upcoming video, we will be discussing set data structures and dictionary. Then the Python will be completing. After that, I'll move it to the pandas and NumPy. We will be discussing that things. Thank you for watching.